Hello and welcome to another BODYFX tutorial. In this tutorial we're going to show you how to create a very basic clown makeup using our BODYFX Clown Pack. So for this makeup we're first going to start with our white stick. Now this is a grease-based makeup and it can be applied using a blender. We want to cover the entire face while leaving out the eyes and the nose, as we're going to use another color in these areas. Try and get a nice even base. If it's looking a little bit blotchy, you might need to grab a little bit more makeup from your white stick. Once you're happy with the coverage, you want to get a little powder puff with some translucent powder and make sure you powder off the makeup. Because this makeup is cream or grease based, we do want to make sure that it is powdered off so that it's set properly. Next up, we're going to be using our round brush and our face paint. The face paint is water activated, so dip your brush into some water and activate the paint. You can choose any color that you like. We are doing 2 different colors over the eyes. You can also make it more symmetrical with the same colors on both eyes. We're going for kind of a grungy clown look, so we are creating this sort of cross shape over the eyes, and it doesn't have to be perfect. For the other side, we're doing a bit more of a diamond shape and using some pink face paint. Now you can use a latex prosthetic clown nose or a foam clown nose, but if you don't have these, you can also just paint the nose using some red face paint for that clowny effect. Now we're also going to use the red face paint for our big clown mouth. So first start with filling in the bottom lip and extending it into some big points. Then we can fill in the top lip and make sure that it all matches up nicely to those points. Now, still using our round brush, we're going to load it up with some black face paint, and we're first going to start off with a little bit of black eyeliner, and then we're going to create some little lines that kind of match up with these shapes that we initially made with our pink and blue face paint. Be careful while going around the eyes, as the face paint is water-based. We do recommend that you do not go into the waterline with the black face paint. And also remember, we're going for kind of a grungy look, so this line work doesn't have to be perfect. You might want to add a little extra detailing around the mouth as well by creating a small little outline underneath it, and also these 2 little C shapes next to the points of the mouth to kind of add to that smile effect. From here on, you can add any other detailing that you want with your paint. So we are actually just adding some little drippy things coming from the eyes, as this is kind of like a cool texture to add for our grungy look. If you have some stencils, right now would be a great time to add a little bit of stenciling around the face to add some extra detail. Otherwise, you can contour the face with a little extra powder if you like, or maybe even add some stars or hearts or whatever details that you like. Here we're just adding a few little white highlights, just using some white face paint. This always looks great on top of those big red lips, and if you want, you can add a little white highlight around the eyes as well. Of course, remember a nice big bow in the hair or around the neck. You can also obviously add whatever costuming you like. We hope that you guys enjoyed this very basic clown makeup tutorial using our BODYFX Clown Pack. If you like this kind of content, please subscribe to our channel and check out our other tutorials. All of the products used in this video can be purchased from bodyfx.co.nz.